Alright guys, we don't come again. This VDM matter, the teeth all they stretch, no be small thing. Now, on this particular update I'm giving you right now, you have two person we want talk from the first video why they give you. One is against VDM in support of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Wait till talk for this particular video from City Stand. In fact, City Stand is a channel that I would recommend for anybody at this particular moment. They are doing an excellent job. You know, say, when I see anybody speaking truth to power, standing for what is right, and they use my platform to promote them. Yes. Now, that particular person, I want to listen to them. I don't want to talk with it talk. Why the second one? Now, the one with the stand with VDM and also standing with the people and speaking truth to power. You don't take where this our brother don't speak truth to power. But meanwhile, after that, you will not see another video again where the protest where they go on right now, where the protesters talk say, carry Yahaya Bello, bring VDM. Carry Yahaya Bello, bring VDM. Carry my brothers and sisters. The way they go now, our government need to be very, very conscious of their satanic activities. Let's watch this together.
Did they go there to disrupt activities?
What did they go there to do?
Went there to make complaints.
To make complaint. Then after the complaint, what happened then?
An arrest was carried out by the EFCC.
There must have been.
At first, we didn't know it was EFCC that arrested him.
Okay.
Later, we got information that he was arrested by the Economic Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Though there has been this drama going on between Very Dark One and EFCC. I think I've been following that up for some time now. He said that institution is corrupt. He has been saying it, for some time now. And don't you think that there is a target at activists like Very Dark Black One to silence them on the matters or important matters of the nation?
If I were a very dark man, I will bring out some fact check for the EFCC man to, we can't just go on here and start, demolishing a body that is highly recognized, and the EFCC guy on throne now, give it to him. It's not that I'm just saying anything, give it to him. It's one of the most prominent, it's one of the most active EFCC we've never had. It doesn't make noise, it doesn't do any other thing than to get its target. And to me, for that very dark man or blue dark man that is saying any other thing contrary, I think it's going political. And I think it should just exempt the EFCC man out of it. Everybody is praising that man. He's a silent achiever and is getting things done. And majority of the success we have been seeing, right, with the Boko Haram, the Lakuruwa, I think is part of this success we've been seeing. So to me, EFCC man should be stay out. They should just exempt him out of this crisis. To me, Very Dark Man, he has his cross to carry. Let him go and carry his cross. I cannot say I'm supporting or I'm against anybody now. He's the one that is having issues with the what's it called, GT. Let him go and sort his issues with the GT constructively. I keep saying constructively.
Constructively, certain situation that you don't need to be.
Hey, but you get a lawyer. Sue the madness.
Thousands or hundreds of Nigerians have been complaining about GTB.
Yes, sue the stupid bank. Sue them up, man. You can't just come in and create issues in the bank. They will farm.
What issue did he create in the bank?
What issues? His presence alone in the bank without his lawyer. He has to.
So as a citizen of Nigeria, are you saying he doesn't have the right to make a complaint?
He has a right, but I can say his lawyer will.
Are you saying he doesn't have the right to go to the bank?
See, my brother, when you ask
by the status in the society,
which status? Yeah, the people there, I can tell you, there are some people that don't even know that Very Dark Man in this country. There are a lot of people that don't even know him. I'm serious. So what we're saying now is, if you have an issue with an organization, you can't just walk alone. Get your lawyer. The foreigners are there. Get them and let them sue the madness of the banks.
Are you telling us that this is a warning to people that stand for the voiceless in the society?
Because
he represents the voiceless in the society.
Every people that you see that
And we can't remove the fact
standing
that
for the voiceless, they have been monetized. Let me tell you, more money has gone under the drain.
So are you saying that man is monetized?
You think he's doing that for free? There are some people funding him likewise. My brother, you see, let us. I mean, we are not in what's it called?
We are the ones funding him.
We are in a country, the Nigeria.
You know how many battles he has fought?
Wait, you say what?
You know how many battles he has fought in the past?
Is it the one that will start fighting battle? People like us, we need to fight battle. But when we see that it is time to be constructive with our engagement, we have to apply. You can't fight government. You see, that is why you always put ourselves into the down drain, and when the bubble busted, we now start crying.
I'm sure the Rata family will be here this morning. You have to be very careful.
Whose family?
They're going to roast you this morning.
Whose family?
The very dark family. I'm talking about his supporters.
They've been here for years and they've not been able to roast me. And I feel the worst of it is they should bring gun and shoot me down. That's
which won't happen to you.
No, it is
because you're entitled to your opinion.
I'm entitled, but if you know what I faced prior to that election of president, you know, threats. I was threatened. Some of them threatened me with gun. I'm saying it loud and clear here. I can't be saying what I did not witness, what I did not go through. So my truth will be my truth. What I'm standing on is what I'm standing on.
Remove this cooler from here, Joy. You started this morning again.
So
Sunday, by
the black. The dark man, or what do you call him, they belongs to one caucus. Why the other side? He must have belonged to one caucus, which is politically funded. I'm telling you wholeheartedly. The people like what's it called? The other guy that you said is an activist. Showore.
All the guys
all of them, they have been monetized. Don't forget about all these things, man.
So that man is monetized.
Some people are pushing it. Don't you see dollars?
What are the ones pushing it?
Oh, what are the ones? Oh, so the guy that gave him 100 million.
That's Don Jassy.
To do what?
That was a gift.
To do what?
It's for that's a politician.
To do what?
He's an entertainer.
He's an entertainer.
Yeah.
But with an entertainer he is now, that money, what is he using it to do? NGO. Yeah. Does he have NGO?
Yes.
Where did he have that? Where did I have never heard? I mean, I don't need to follow him.
You don't follow
I don't need to follow him. No, these are not state actors, so I don't need to follow him. So you are carrying.
But you can't remove the fact that he's a prominent person.
No, I don't even know him. Okay. Sorry, I don't know him. I can't say that. I don't go along with some Nigerians. This thing that they carry on.
They have been speaking against the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Of course, you know what has been going on in the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Hardship, suffering, and he has been at the forefront, condemning or criticizing the administration, condemning the policies of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
You see, I think I still need to be repeating myself every day.
Should that be one of the reasons for his arrest?
My brother, look at all the debts we are saying here. That is the debt Nigeria has been compiled, that has been compiled on Nigerians by the successive government. Nothing has ever worked in Nigeria before. And you expect somebody overnight. I think I can take anybody that still expects magic to happen overnight.
But magic happened in Burkina Faso.
In Burkina Faso, under the military, give us military regime, and you see something.
Must we get to that level before things change in the country?
You must definitely, because all these politicians, all of them, they are bed of same feather.
They are bed of the same feather.
Yes.
Bed of same feather. Then we should have people that will be criticizing them.
Yeah.
Someone like very black man should be criticizing the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
It's coming too late. I see what he's doing. I'm not going against it.
Okay.
But the way I want it is don't pollute it with the politics. Right? If you want to stand as an activist,
is he into politics?
Are you sure the politician will fund anybody that they want for him to bring his
and who are the one for
you will know them very soon. You will know them. You know, I can tell them that I can tell you categorically. And I'm going to tell you, likewise, what he's doing now, we've gone through that under the military. Has he done anything under the military?
Michael, you really started this week on a very bad note.
Yes,
Robert Uche.
So, Robert Uche, we know where he comes from. They don't want to hear the good things, you know. So, Robert Uche, you can keep saying what you say. I'm here to express my view. Robert Uche, I don't even bother care about you. Once I know you are from that not east, you are southwest or southeast. and nothing comes from that area, my brother, because they are enemies of president.
I think people are funding Kule to be saying all these things he's saying every day. What is your problem, Kule?
Yes, they are enemies of the president. Majority of our enemies of the president.
So are you saying Very Dark Man is one of the enemies of the president?
Very Dark Man is just catching his own cruise. My brother is catching his own cruise.
What kind of cruise is he
catching his own cruise to?
Do you know how many players liberated?
Going to China, going to, I mean, you pray.
And you say you don't know him. I say you don't know him.
Yeah.
So how did you get to know that he was in China?
Social media has brought the village, I mean the country as a global village. The social media has brought everything down for us to be safe. So to me, Very Dark Man or Very Blue Man, I don't know him, and I don't think he has any much impact on what he's doing.
All right, away from that, what's your president? I wanted to say Muhammadu Buhari, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, doing about the state or the state of insecurity in the country. Lakurawa in Sokoto State. They killed about 13 hunters.
They are back again. I thought Lakurawa has been defeated, but that is why I will tell you they are mole inside the military. They are mole inside all the security apparatus we have. They are mole in them, and you cannot fight a battle when you have a mole that is giving tips of information to your enemy. And to me, it concerns everybody now. We should be watchful. The security of ourselves, we should be watchful of security of ourselves, because the way it is now, enemies are all around us, and we need to start monitoring the next man to you, the next stranger to you, because that is the situation now. I mean, secure yourself. For when you are waiting for somebody to secure the whole country.
Secure yourself. Definitely, you are saying the president is incompetent.
It's not incompetent. It's not.
That's what you're supposed to say. If you could tell us to secure
it's not incompetent.
It's not incompetent. You're telling us to secure ourselves.
I think I can tell you.
Do I have arms? Do I have weapons?
I can take you back. Right from the advent of the democracy, when President Obasanjo came into the power.
This guy will never change.
He came into the power.
King Cross.
Who is King Cross?
King Cross. You can never change in your life.
You know, we have a lot of strangers that I don't need to know on this.
The way you don't know Very Dark Black Man.
I don't know them. These strangers that you are saying, I don't even know they exist.
Okay, you're taking us back to memory lane.
Yes, memory lane.
All right. Mr. Kule, concerning the arrest of Very Dark Black Man, is still in detention of the SEC. What's your take on it? Was this a setup by GT Bank or what?
We should continue to encourage the likes of Very Dark Man in a society like this, because we know that it is needed, because the more the Nigerians continue to sound, there is this advocacy for good governance, security, issues within the political space, the more Nigerians are getting enlightened in matters that concerns them. You know, Very Dark Man, to an extent, you can see what is happening. The Chinese are talking, everybody is talking, releasing what is his offense. You know, just like we came under serious burden of attack under this administration by taxing everything within any British space. You know, and I think the GTB bank has issues with the mother, and he went there, you know,
to complain
like any other customer. What happened? And he has been intervening in issues like this in the past. But I can tell that those who are not comfortable with the way he does his things, especially all fingers are already pointing at the political players, you know, currently in Abuja, who supposed to use police to arrest him. Fortunately, unfortunately, he was picked by EFCC, and not allowing people to assess him put a question mark that there's every possibility that he was shot. Yes.
That he was shot.
Yes. We are trying to find out why are they not allowing people to assess him, and if it happens to be true, then that is the end of GTB Bank in Nigeria. As simple as that. That's the end of GTB Bank in Nigeria. If it is true that Very Dark Man is shot, that's the end.
In all these things now, would you say GT Bank is involved? Because currently, as we speak, some people are withdrawing their money from
a lot of
GT
Nigerians are removing their money. Bro, that is thank God for social media. Mike, I'm telling you, thank God for social media, an avenue for the common people, to fertilize themselves. Outside that, imagine when we wait for one newspaper to publish until we know what is happening. I'm telling you, and government too is generating a lot of revenue from social media. So GTB Bank knows that he's coming, and they were called to take that action against a very dark man.
Over the weekend, the hashtag #FreeVDM topped the trends after activist Martin Solskjaer, also known as Very Dark Man, was arrested by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission outside a Guaranty Trust Bank branch in Abuja. His arrest followed his public criticism of the bank for allegedly making unauthorized withdrawals from his mother's account. Well, according to his lawyer, Deji Adeyoju, VDM was ambushed by EFCC operatives and trapped inside GTB's exit door for over 5 minutes. A move, he claims, was a deliberate ploy to allow the anti-graft officers to effect his arrest. Many Nigerians, including VDM's brother, Mark Vincent Oshe, have accused the bank of complicity in the arrest and called for a boycott of the bank.
Everybody have been saying come out and protest, come out and protest. Definitely we are coming out on Monday. I'm not going to lie to you. We are coming out on Monday. We are coming out, me, myself, my family. I, Mark Vincent, I'm coming to GT Bank, Area 3 branch on Monday to withdraw my money, my small money I get with now. I'm going to withdraw my money. I'm going to make sure my family members withdraw their money. I'm going to make sure every Ratel withdraw their money from GTB Bank. We are not coming to fight you people, but we are coming out in mass, believe me. We are coming out in mass. We are not coming to play with you people. We are coming to do business on your ground. We are coming to take what is rightfully ours, which is our money. Well, GT Bank, you have done well. Now, let's play your game. We are not going to do the usual protest whereby everybody to come outside the shower, because we don't already know how those things they end. In the end, now they'll come to suffer. They'll come to arrest people. Now they'll come to send people. They'll come spoil the protest for us. But we are not about that, man. We are now wise. You get? We have knowledge, which is our own power too. Now we are going to come and we are going to withdraw our money peacefully. GT Bank, if you like, close. If you like, no close. But believe me, from Monday till the end of next week, back to back withdrawal. No worry. That's our business now. We don't come for now.
All right. Today is Monday. Today is the day set for the, assumed protests by VDM's family and the Ratel group and people that are visibly upset with GT Bank. But GT Bank has released a security footage showing that Very Dark Man was not apprehended in the bank. Well, here is the footage showing VDM exiting the bank, according to the Chief Communication Officer of GT Bank, Oyinde Adegite. VDM posted on his social media pages that he was visiting GT Bank branch in Garki to resolve the alleged issue with his mother's account. He concluded his business successfully and left our branch, as seen in the CCTV footage. As you can see here, his subsequent arrest is unrelated to his visit to the bank branch in Garki. We saw this footage circulating, released by the Vanguard newspaper, and we did see that VDM had left the premises of the bank. So, it does show that, appears that GT Bank has nothing to do with his arrest. But, I'll take a tweet from this person, Alexis, who wrote, "So eventually, VDM was not apprehended at GT Bank premises. So everybody can rest now and stop accusing the bank that knows nothing about it. It is the EFCC and not the bank. VDM has been making videos about them. I think it's because of the video they apprehended him." Meanwhile, Deji Adeyoju has threatened to take legal actions against the EFCC and GT Bank for the alleged inhumane treatment meted out to his clients. In a preliminary statement, VDM's legal team stated that their client and his associate, CPA, were forcefully arrested at gunpoint outside a GT Bank in the presence of VDM's mother. They were allegedly beaten while blindfolded, labeled as bandits, and threatened. The legal team visited the EFCC and was shown an arrest warrant for VDM on allegations of cyber stalking issued by a magistrate in Wuse Zone 2. However, no formal charge or allegation was disclosed against VDM's associate, CPAC. In the meantime, social media have been awash with reactions to VDM's arrest, with many, including musicians Seun Kuti and Davido, demanding his release. Also, videos of foreigners calling out the EFCC and the federal government of Nigeria over his arrest have since gone viral. Let's take a look.
Hello, EFCC. This is a serious warning, and I hope you guys listen very well. You cannot arrest Very Dark Man, a freedom fighter, like a Tories leader. You guys should free Very Dark Man within the next 48 hours.
I hold my brother Very Dark Man has been arrested by EFCC, like all brothers. Ross is very angry because he's a good person. And it's not just empty talking. Let me tell you how I got to know Very Dark Man. There was a Tanzanian named Peter who took Ross gun shoes, was 1 million in cash, and he tried to cheat me. Nigeria's brothers told me to seek VDM's help. I just messaged my problem to VDM, and the next day he make a video to expose it. Later, Ross get a little money back. He was willing to help a stranger, Chinese, without any reward. So Ross says he's a good person and impossible to have done anything illegal. So I want to say to the Nigeria government, so I think you arrested VDM because he often speaks out on those public issues. You cannot solve the problem. So you choose to silence those who raise them. Isn't that shameless? Nigeria brothers, please share this video and leave your supportive comments. Tell the government that it's a democratic and a free country. It should tolerate critical voice because all Nigeria wants their country to become better and stronger. Please release VDM immediately.
All right. The hashtag free VDM. Rufai, all loud gone. What is going on with the EFCC at this point?
Let me go back historically. Yesterday, I was watching a documentary of Stalin, Russia, where people that didn't align were taken, were sent up to gulags, were sent up to concentration places. And I also remember the history of the Gestapo. The way and manner the EFCC or multi-agency, I'm now hearing from my investigation, did take the VDM was a Gestaporic style, and it's an aberration in a democracy. If you claim that you have petitions written against him, it is not you that you are the judge, executioner, and everything in the case. You let him have his day in court. Today, you have violated his rights. You've kept him on there. I know some people will come and quote ACJA. You've kept him on there for all these hours, passing the threshold of keeping people before you charge him to court. Till today, we've not had an official message out by the EFCC, which from my investigation, I discovered that it's a joint security body thing.
Yes.
It's not only the EFCC. And you were taken in that manner, blindfolded, pushed into a car in a Gestaporic style. We want to believe Nigeria is a democracy, but we don't believe so sometimes. We want to believe that the days of Abacha is long over, but we don't believe so sometimes. Because those days of Abacha was the days of rage in this country, where you watch what you said. But we don't believe so, because of what is happening in this country as we speak. Like Africa, China, say, rich man, not wasting money, they're not going to see him face for crime fighter. If you have petition written against the man, call the man forward, come and accept his petition. Why arresting him in that style? Until today, after many hours, the EFCC nor any government agency have not issued a statement.
Yes, we've reached out to them. We have a right to hear from them.
I have also reached out to the people I know in the EFCC.
Yes.
They've not issued a statement today.
They've not issued a statement till now.
So it is a very sad one for Nigeria. And the question is VDM to deal? Who is next? When are they going to do right? In this is a country, we see how people violate the law and they move off. It's in this country we had Yahaya Bello that could resist arrest. We are not saying, please don't investigate him based on petitions written. All we are saying is, Do it in a clean way.
That's it.
And let the rule of law take its course. Let him have his day in courts.
All right. Well,
Thanks for staying with us. We turn our attention now to the nation's capital, where the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission says it will arraign social media influencer Martin Osei, also known as Very Dark Man, on multiple charges of alleged financial crimes at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Very Dark Man was arrested by the DSS, EFCC and police in a joint operation on 2nd April in Area 3, Abuja. He's currently in the custody of the EFCC. The anti-corruption agency is currently seeking an order from a magistrate court to remand Mr. Osei pending his arraignment.
In respect of VDM kidnapped. He was kidnapped on the 2nd of May, and we are demanding immediate release of VDM. VDM is not a criminal. If GTB or the federal government feel that he has committed any offense, they have all the time, all the apparatus to invite him or to call him. Yes. Not to kidnap him at this very point. Like so what we are demanding, we are demanding for unconditional release of VDM. Nothing.
Release VDM, no go release VDM. Instead, una release for me, they look for me. What did I do? What did I do, Nigeria? What did I do to EFCC? All I did was say release VDM. You don't do anything. Una say una rather die. Why? Is it because I helped to spoil your plan? Now me say make una plan person wey be say they help people. See me the problem. Oh, yesterday the first time I don't believe when they go drop food for VDM, the police people for EFCC stop the motor. They search and look for me. Say that boy will get thing. We go here. Today I said they drive go protest ground. Bad squad. Why? What did I do? This movement is bigger than all of you. You cannot stop the moving train. You don't get on how to stop this thing. Free VDM if you want to free yourself from this kind of worry. Free am. You don't get to Nate Holam. Since on Friday till today, no charges. Story of money this one, cash one thing. Stupid story. See, I'm not free VDM. There's nothing. Me, I need the fear arrest. Free VDM. Allow him to go home. Show us the charges. Anything he has committed on is bailable. If it's not a conspiracy, it's bailable. GTB try their best to help Nakasha. When I don't want to finish, and I still hold. You are trying to look for how to turn your kidnap to arrest. We'll not arrest. Free VDM. Now where still be like saying never free and make it go out. So
film this thing. Film it. Video, zoom in very well. Look at it. Can you see it? Your voice matters. P-BAT. Are you seeing it? P-BAT, door-to-door movement. Your voice matters. But our voice is inside cell. Come, carry camera. Follow me. Come and see something. Follow me. Our voice is inside cell. Follow me. They have put our voice inside cell. How far? Well done.
We are law-abiding citizens. We are not here to cause chaos or cause problems. We are demanding that VDM should be released with immediate effect. We don't care about the order. We don't care about where the order is coming from. We don't care about who arrested him. We want VDM to be released. It's a must.
Understand? We are out here to ask the Nigeria EFCC and the GT Bank why they kidnapped very dark man. You understand? Yes. We are out here to fight for our fundamental rights. VDM went to GT Bank to ask them why they scam in murder. So they went there to kidnap him. So this what do you have to tell them?
Bro, come out everybody tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Freedom is by force, you understand?
Freedom is by force.
Yeah, VDM, you go regain your freedom, no worry. Men mount you.
say no to the demand. Speak to me. What your demands? Why do you want VDM to be free? What and who is VDM to you that you're clamoring for his freedom at this moment? Sorry.
The man is the voice to the voiceless.
He's the voice of the voiceless. He's speaking for the masses. He's doing what every other youth is not doing. So we want him to be free, so that you keep on speaking for us. Thank you. Okay. Free VDM! Free VDM! We want freedom to be free because we need justice. Victims are criminal. He's not a fraudster. He's an activist. He's supposed to be voiceless. Why would they arrest him? For what reason? He has to tell us the reason why he was arrested. What kind of level against him? We need justice. As represent, we need justice. It's time for us to stand for our rights and fight for ourselves. Victims will be free today. If we're going to fight them, they will hear from me.
Hey, I better leave VDM for us. Leave VDM for us.
Yahaya Bello, bring VDM. Yahaya Bello, bring VDM. Yahaya Bello, bring VDM. Yahaya Bello, bring VDM.
You see, this one that I'm about to talk about is not football related at all. This is not football related. It is about this VDM's case, this issue of VDM. You see, I only have one thing to say. Personally, I'm not the type that likes to judge. Yeah, I don't really like to judge people. If you are the type that likes to oppress people, you like to abuse power over people, if you are the type that likes to rip people off, you like to cheat people. If you're a government official that likes to embezzle public funds, like to make life miserable for the citizens, like to cheat the citizens of taxpayers' money and all of that. If you are a woman that likes to give bastard to a man, paternity fraud experts, keep up the good work. If you are somebody that likes to mix chemicals that are harmful to people's health, not caring about their health, keep doing it. You understand? Your judgment is in front. If you are somebody that likes to use creams, chemicals on yourself that will expose you to kidney diseases, skin cancer and all of that, keep doing it. You understand? Any bad thing you know how to do, keep doing it. Anything you know how to do that is detrimental to Nigerians, keep doing it. You understand? Your judgment is in the hand of God. Today, I only have one exercise as regards this video matter. I just want to give out one exercise. You understand? You can hate him because I've seen a lot of trash comments about this guy. See, let me not lie to you. I'm a full VDM supporter with my chest, but I've never come out to make any video like this. But this exercise is very simple and straightforward based on the comments that I have seen. Give me 2 reasons why you hate VDM. 2 reasons in the comment section. If you are one of his haters,
Give 2 reasons why you hate VDM. If at least one of the 2 reasons makes perfect sense, I'll credit you 50,000 and I'll be selecting 2 people. 2 reasons why you hate Very Dark Man. 2 reasons why you feel Very Dark Man should go down. Considering all it does for Nigeria. Considering the fact that if Nigeria has 2 of these guys, Nigeria will be a better place. Or 3. Not to talk about having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hundreds of thousands or maybe millions of VDMs in Nigeria. Give 2 reasons why you think you don't like VDM. If at least one of the 2 reasons makes sense, I'll credit you 50K and I'll be selecting 2 people. As you are dropping the comment, add your account number to it.
Bello, leave VDM for us. Leave VDM for us.
Bello, bring VDM. Bello, bring VDM. Bello, bring VDM. Bello, bring VDM.
My people, now no say the video where I fed do earlier on, EFCC come out, court take the responsibility, say now them arrest VDM. See how they arrest him, see how they will leave him if he meet the condition bail or bail condition or anyhow they call him, and the situation where he hold VDM down now, say now multiple charges. Now so EFCC talk that matter. We will continue to follow up. I want you to glue to NWATCH Media because our duty now to the carry him as we see him, we'll carry him, we can't give you, may you see him by yourself. This is NWATCH Media. What do we know? Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that is affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.